Hey friends, if you wish to get back missing display graphics drivers in Device Manager, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the correct solutions. Do not download them from the internet because it may cause a conflict. Here's what you have to do first of all. Search for Device Manager and open the Device Manager. Just click on Action or select any drivers. Click on Action and select Scan for hardware changes. Okay, this should refresh the list. If the drivers exist, they will appear. If they do not, then right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the Windows Update tab and click on check for updates in the right pane. If this doesn't help either, then search for recovery in the Windows search bar and go to the recovery panel. Go to Open System Restore, select a go to restore point, select this, click on next, and then finally on finish and then on yes to initiate the process. Okay, was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.